Hello folks, we come to the part 6 video of this exercise 4.2 and let's have one problem. There is one problem on solving and the other problems are just the MCQ questions. So let's see how to do this. We have considered the LHS as usual and we have expressed the LHS as A times, it's okay. A squared plus 1 by A can be written like this, B squared plus 1 by B, C squared plus 1 by C. Why we are doing it that way? So that we can take an A common from R1, R2, R3. We will take this common from R1, R2, R3. So we are left with A, B, C. A plus 1 by A here, B here, C here. A here, B plus 1 by B, C here. Then A here, B here, C plus 1 by C. So what we will do is, in the next step, this A will multiply to C1, B to C2 and C to C3. So let's see what will happen. When we multiply here, it's A times. So it will be A squared plus 1. This is A squared. This is A squared. This is B squared. This is B squared plus 1. This is B squared. C squared. C squared. C squared plus 1. We always have an eye on what we require. 1 plus A squared plus B squared plus C squared. So if you could have the columns added, I think you'll get it. So let's have the columns added. C1 becoming C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what are we getting? 1 plus A squared plus B squared. First case. Next case also. Next case also. Stick. Yes, B squared plus 1 B squared. C squared plus 1. Now what we do, because it's common, it will come out and we are left with the ones. Then our normal strategy, to get the zeros over here. So we are going to do R2 becoming R2 minus R1 and simultaneously R3 becoming R3 minus R1. Already you have 1 plus A squared plus B squared plus C squared taken out. So what is remaining? Now this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus B squared, this is minus B squared, this is minus C squared, also minus C squared. So 1 B squared, C squared. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 and this is 1. We can go in for an expansion. So let's expand. So when we expand, see, like before, these two will not, because these two entries are 0, will not get anything in the expansion. Only this is going to give you 1 times 1 as usual. So only 1, and the remaining terms you can sit and expand, but they will become 0, right? So finally the determinant value is only 1 and these are RHS. That's how we prove the result. That's about it. So now we move to the next MCQ. It says that if A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then A, its determinant value. We've done this problem in the initial part of the exercise 1, where we have done, we found out the relation 2A and 3A and all that. So we know that this is K cubed. Why? Because it's of order 3. If it's of order 2, it would have been K squared. Because it's of order 3, it is K cubed. Depending on the order, we'll get this. So actually the answer is, and why we have got this? We have got this by observation. We have done these problems in the exercise 1. So that's how we get it. Then, which one is correct? Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix, and none of this. Yes, determinant is a number that is associated to a square matrix. Both have got C as a correct. So that's about it, and that's how we finish this exercise 4.3. Next we'll come to 4.4 in our next video. Thank you.